Tired of manually following up with users? Imagine a workflow that responds instantly, based on exactly what your users choose, saving you time and effort. Introducing the Response-Based HubSpot Workflow. Each choice your user makes triggers the next step automatically, giving them a smooth, guided experience while saving you hours of work. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure. For example, if a user clicks burger, the workflow automatically sends the message linked to the burger option. If they click pizza, it instantly triggers the message connected to pizza. This example shows how each user selection automatically sends the right next response. Start by creating a workflow from scratch. Add your first condition, like a user or contact triggering the workflow. This makes your system smart enough to react instantly. Send your first template and wait for the user's response. This starts the automated path and ensures every user gets the right next step without manual intervention. Add branches for each possible response. If a user clicks burger, one path starts. Pizza, another. This branching ensures that each user receives personalized guidance, making your workflow more efficient and error-free. Stack multiple steps to create a complete flow. Each response triggers the next message automatically. This guides users perfectly, reduces mistakes, and frees your team to focus on more important tasks. Finally, send the last template without waiting for a reply. This completes the workflow path and ensures no step is missed, giving users a smooth experience from start to finish. Review everything, turn on the workflow, and it's ready. Your workflow now works automatically, saves time, and handles multiple users at once. Now your workflows respond instantly based on user choices. Save time, reduce errors, improve user experience, and scale effortlessly. Fully guided, fully automated, only in HubSpot.